Program number 8. Write code to create a series of consonants. So, vowels I have shown already in program number 7. Now we will see in the consonant. So, you know that in the alphabetical letters, how many consonants are there? This is 21, because vowels is, how many vowels? Equal to 5, and total letters 26. So consonant equal to, how much will come? 26 minus 5 equal to 21 letters. 21 letters. So all the 21 letters we will not call. What we will do it? Some letters will call. Okay. So how we will write the program? Import Pandas as PD. I am giving the alias name also. Now consonant equal to, what will do? Within the quotation we will write B, C, D, E. Here E will not come. F, G, H, like this you will. Okay, F, G, H, J, K, L. This much I have written. If you want to write continue, you can write till Z also. This is the consonant letters. So this consonant we will convert to in this series. So S8, one more variable to storing the series data, PD dot series, and this is one string. So this string we should convert to as a list. So list and then con. Convert it. After conversions we will call to the print command to display the data S8. Now see, run the program. Came B, C, D, F, G, H, C. So these are the consonants. In the tuple, this is I convert to as a list and then I am displaying. Can you convert it as a tuple, this string, and then afterwards you can display the series like this? You can do or not? Think it. Let's see. Again we will call same, just only which one we will change it? This one, list places. If we will write tuple, tuple, okay. So means list places you can write it tuple also, and this tuple data convert it as a series. So both the method I have shown here.